Ionization is when a neutral molecule, in particular acids, are converted into ions. So typically, we know that molecular compounds, although they may be able to dissolve in water, they're not going to form ions. An example would be like glucose, C6H12O6 solid. This will dissolve in water, so I can write it as aqueous, but it doesn't separate and form ions. It's a molecular compound. Only ionic compounds form ions. The only exception to that are acids. They are molecular compounds. If you look at the formulas for acids, they're molecular in nature, but they do form ions in solution. If we take a look, a little bit more closer look at this, hydrochloric acid, if we added HCl gas to water, for example, it dissolves in the form of an HCl molecule. But eventually a reaction takes place with the water and it separates to form hydrogen ions and chloride ions. Because HCl is a strong acid, 100% of the molecules will do this. They will react with the water and form hydrogen ions and chloride ions. So we end up without any HCl molecules at the end. A weak acid will also do this, like hydrofluoric. However, it will react to lesser of an extent. So not 100% of the ions will form. Some of them will stay in the molecular form, the HF molecule. So you can see that although some of the ions begin to react, most of them stay in the hydrofluoric acid molecular form.